I am Quan Yin. I am Quan Yin, speaking from the garden. Speak to the flowers, and the flowers speak to you. The essences and vibrations are very powerful in healing. Subtle healing is more powerful than ever. Subtle healing, or vibrational healing, is very important and a very important part of each one of your journeys into the light and into your divine nature. The subtle nature that the flowers bring forth in their vibrational healing are very important for you. You know that we do flower blessings, and those flowers come your way. We know that you see the flower blessings when they come to you. We will speak to you now as you breathe in, as you draw the energy into your being, into your body. We will speak to you now, to your divine natures through the flowers, and the flowers will speak to you and dance on your consciousness. It's very important to note those flowers that come to you and to work with them. I speak to you. I speak to you. I am Quan Yin. I speak in the name of the flowers. I speak to you. I speak to you. Holding the third eye to the sky, open to receive your personal messages into your vibrational body from the flowers themselves. You do not only receive visions or awareness in your mind or your brain, you also receive a vibratory tune-up from the flowers with the flowers. This is important that you understand this. This is true. This does work, all for you. Turning the third eye to the sky, turning the third eye to the sky, opening the palms and keeping the thumb and the pointer finger together in a circle. Turn the third eye to the sky, tone 3 times, and receive your personal vibratory message from the flowers themselves. Jasmine, violet, daisies, roses too, hibiscus, bird of paradise, lilies, they're all here for you. Pansies, buttercups, dandelions too. Flowers, peonies, carnations, echinacea, all the flowers come and fall on you, petals coming. Now we speak to you of floral teas, infusions that are important for you. Each and every one on the phone at this time can benefit from hibiscus. Teas, herbal teas made with the vibration of hibiscus coming into this new age, coming into this rebirthing. The hibiscus tea is helpful for you in your rebirthing. Hibiscus tea, open to it and bring it in. Many of you need to work with ginger too. Ginger tea, helping bring balance and warmth into the body. Hibiscus, all of you. Ginger, some of you. Use your pendulum or muscle test and find out about the ginger. I am Quan Yin, speaking from the garden. The herbs, the plants, the flowers all wish to speak to you about healing and health on the planet. It's very important to what you put into the body lately. Be patient with your food and your eating. Bless the food as it comes into your body. Just as you bless the water, begin to bless the food. There are certain things that are extremely helpful. Just like the hibiscus is helpful for all of you at this time, so are the winter squashes that are coming in. The winter squashes, the sweet potatoes, the carrots, the parsnips, the salsify. These are important. Roots are important for you now. Some of you have better tolerance with potatoes than others. Find your food as local as possible. Find it organic and not altered genetically. Get as much of those roots as you can into the body. You are coming into a stage where you are having to ground the new self. These vegetables, especially the feminine vegetables of the squashes, are extremely helpful in your rebirthing process. I am Quan Yin. Gifts of the flowers are with you. Most of the plants that bear fruit or vegetables have some type of flower. You often do not think of the flowers, but the flowers that are there before the squash grows, and the flower that is there before the tomato grows, and the flower that is there, that flower sends a vibration of joy and peace into your nature. We are Quan Yin. You are moving into your flower nature. It is more important than ever to recognize your divinity. If you are in the presence of the divine, and I want you to think now of what is the most divine being that you could imagine being in the presence of. And then I want you to accept that you are in the presence of divine. Each and every one of you are divine, and the divinity is coming forward. And so just like the peels on a banana peel back to release the fruit, you are releasing old survival nature, old fearful nature, and you are moving into wholeness. Lately, we have been working through the channel with many individuals and helping them move through the illusions of fear, the illusions of agitation, and find the vibration of love. It is amazing what can be accomplished when you are able to move away from the fear. And so now in this moment, calling on me, Compassionate One, however you see the Compassionate One, however you see the vibration of the Compassionate One, call on me in my many forms, my many names, my many appearances through the ages. Call on me now, what you are closest to. Perhaps it is Quan Yin. Perhaps it is Mother Mary. Perhaps it is the Christ. Whatever Avalokitesvara, whatever is the Compassionate One for you. Call it in now, into your being, into your body, into your soul. Call on the Compassionate One. As you bring the Compassionate One to you, feel your compassionate nature coming to the surface. Be compassionate with yourself and the human aspect of yourself. Be compassionate with those parts that are surfacing as you are dying to them. Be compassionate. Be compassionate. Bless yourself now. Right hand on the lower chakras, left hand on the heart. Bring them together. Call on the Compassionate One in whichever way that you do, bringing in the vibration, bringing it in. I am Quan Yin. Continue with the right palm on the lower chakra, the belly chakra, near the root chakra, somewhere in that aspect of the body. The left hand on the heart chakra. Let the palm chakras connect to those chakras. Let the vibration roll through the body again and receive love. Receive love and acknowledge your divine nature. Acknowledge it as the tone comes through your body and that connection is there. This is a very powerful connection, bringing love to all the parts of the self, bringing love to the vibrational parts that come from your old survival memories and your genetic heritage of survival, that all brings together the vibration of divine love that's in the heart and weaves this energy through the body. Sitting a few times a day in this way, with the right hand on the belly, the left on the heart, or perhaps before you go to sleep when you're laying, the right hand on the belly, the left hand on the heart, or perhaps in the morning when you awake, can help bring these energies together within your body. I am Quan Yin. Bring the energy of the compassionate nature through your being. Accept your divinity and feel the reverence that you would feel in the presence of the Divine One standing right across from you now, recognize that is the way you need to feel about yourselves. I am Quan Yin. Feel the energy of your heart pouring out into your left hand, moving through your body, the energy of love, connecting to every cell in the body. Let the energy of love connect to every cell in your body. Every cell in your body. I am Quan Yin. I am the compassionate one, bringing the energies in. I am Quan Yin, drawing the energy in. I am Quan